Hi and welcome to another tutorial video. In this tutorial video I'm going to be showing you how to generate something called a grey code. And why am I telling you how to generate a grey code, you might ask? Well, a grey code is a sequence of binary bit patterns such that the one bit pattern only differs by 1 bit from the previous bit pattern. And these grey codes are useful in a variety of applications, one of which is the simplification of Boolean expressions. So let's take a look at the most simple grey code then. That is a 1-bit grey code because all we've got, our bit patterns are 1 bit long, and this bit pattern here, the 1, only differs by 1 bit from the previous one, which was a 0. Now how do I go on to generate grey codes of increasing numbers of bits? I follow a simple method, and this is what the method is. Okay, so that's my method. I reflect the original code, I prefix the original code with zeros, I prefix the reflected code with 1s, and then I join or concatenate the new codes that I've generated when I've prefixed these codes of zeros and 1s. So let's see an example of this then. I'm going to, from our original 1-bit grey code, I'm going to generate a 2-bit grey code. So this is our original code. My first step is to reflect the original code. I then prefix the original code with zeros, and then prefix the reflected code with 1s, and then I concatenate these two codes to generate my 2-bit grey code. So 00, 01, 11, 10, and that's my new 2-bit grey code. And you can see that it is a valid grey code because each bit only differs by 1 bit from the last. And to generate grey codes of increasing numbers of bits, all you do is apply the same method again to your previous grey code. So if I wanted to generate a 3-bit grey code, I would apply the same method again to my 2-bit grey code. And if I wanted to generate a 4-bit grey code, I would apply the same method to my 2-bit grey code to get a 3-bit grey code, and I would apply the same method again to my 3-bit grey code to get a 4-bit grey code. Okay, so that's just a brief tutorial on how to generate a grey code, useful in a variety of applications, in particular the simplification of Boolean expressions when we're using graphical methods such as a Karnaugh map. Hope you found this tutorial useful, and thanks for watching.